What is that noise? It's nighttime. Who turned the lights on? I was asleep, and then I heard the lights turn on. DK. Who is DK? I'm trying to remember. Did he say BK Burger King? I don't know. Let me go turn the lights off. Alright, let me go turn the lights on.
Why are you awake, Mario?
Alright, someone turn the lights on. But I'm gonna go back to bed. Who was that? Oh, hell. I think Toad's just having a poo and he's screaming. Alright, let's go back to bed.
Yoshi. Yoshi. DK Mario. DK. Dad. DK Yoshi.
What? Who was that? Oh, I'm tired.
DK. Yoshi. I'll take you.
Who was that? Everyone's gone! What? Everyone's gone but us? Oh, Fief, at least you're here. Oh my goodness. What are we going to do? We have to find out who's doing all this. Alright, Lord Bowser. I did everything you asked for. The Yoshis are gone, the Baby Bros are gone, and the Toads are gone, and Peach is gone. I locked them all in a prison cell. Good job. And that prison cell will be dropped into the lava. And now, well, should I do anything else, Lord Bowser? Well, you are a top tier henchman, one of my best. And you're better than all the other henchmen. And so you take on Luigi, I'll take on Mario. Alright, Lord Bowser, let us go. Mario, I'm scared. Me too. But we just gotta find out who it is. Well. Bowser? Wait, who's that other guy? It's Donkey Kong. Mario, it's been so long since we've seen each other again. Donkey Kong's my newest henchman and one of my best, if not my best. He's a top tier henchman. He's the one that's been taking everybody. He locked him in a cage, and he's gonna drop him in the lava. If you don't win, we're here to battle you. Donkey Kong versus Luigi, and me versus Mario. Okay, I guess we have to. Let's do this. Alright. Oh no! Ah! Oh! DK! Ow! DK! Oh, ow! Time to lock you up. Help me, Mario! Ooh. Alright, he's all locked up. Mario, what do you have to say? Well, what I have to say is... you caught me by surprise. Oh. What? Donkey Kong, you know I can beat you. Huh. I already have. Oh, why do you have to do this to me? Bowser. This is your battle versus him. I already did all my good. I'm gonna go back home. Alright? Alright. My favorite henchman. Alright. Oh, Mario, you've ruined everything. Like you always do. You're not gonna ruin it. This time. Not gonna ruin it. I broke out of the cage. La 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 la. Get out of here. Go in the cage. Help, help, help. I'm being thrown in the cage. Help me. Alright. Now, it's time to verse you one-on-one. Goodbye. Oh no. I'm gonna need to do something. Well, any last words, Mario? I don't know. Well, time for you to die. Oh, goodbye. Wah! Alright. There's no way he survived that fall. I just chucked him off the edge. And now for the rest. It's time to put him in the lava. Alright, we're taking this cage over here. I gotta stop my fall. What am I going to do? Help me! Oh, wait, a blanket? I grabbed a blanket. I somehow survived that fall. Now time to go stop Bowser. I decided I'm going to throw you guys off the edge as well. Any last words before I throw you guys off? Yoshi? Oh, I don't know. Yoshi, me neither. Yeah, Yoshi, none of us know. Well, time to die. I'm throwing you off the edge in 3, 2, and 1. Wah! No, you don't. How did you return? Well, I grabbed a blanket off the wall that I fell off of, and I used it to survive my fall. Fine, if this is how you want to play, then play. Well, I know I might not be able to beat you, so I'm going to grab the superstar! No! Alright, it's time to break you out of your box, superstar. Alright, here we go. Yeah! There it is. Alright, time to grab it! I touched the superstar. And here we go. Dun 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 and for the final touch, no, Saloni Bowser! I will return, Mario! I will! No! No! I must save my master before he burns in the lava! Alright. Well, Time to save the others. Alright, so we pull this thing. And Yoshi. Ah, thanks. Oh, thanks, Mario. Thanks, Dad. Yoshi, thanks. Yeah, Yoshi, thanks. Thanks, Yoshi. Ah, thanks. Well, I guess it was a happy ending. Well, it was such a happy ending. The lava! No! I'm gonna burn to crisp! Save me, someone! I'm coming. DK. I have to make the jump. I've got you. Thanks for saving me, DK. You're getting a raise. We lost. Well, we may have lost today, but you have a new henchman that you know you can rely on for a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, I do. And next time, someday, we will make an even better plan to destroy the Mario Brothers. And we will take the superstar for ourselves. What? I was excited. Well, we will destroy them.